Forex Trading. Unlocking Forex Success, Simple Strategies and Community Support. Written by Bookie. Check more about Forex Trading Summary. Listen Forex Trading audiobook. About the book. Discover the essentials of Forex Trading with Jim Brown's best-selling guide, praised for its clear, approachable style. This book serves as an invaluable resource for newcomers, offering a straightforward introduction to currency trading. Amidst the overwhelming information available online, Jim generously shares his custom indicators for the MT4/MT5 MetaTrader platforms and TradingView at no additional cost, along with access to his thriving JGFX Facebook group, where thousands of traders, both novice and experienced, engage daily. As a seasoned trader who has evolved from manual charting to automated systems, Jim invites readers to join him in live trade calls, analyze results, and benefit from regular instructional videos. With a commitment to fostering a supportive learning environment, he provides a complimentary trading system and indicators, ensuring readers have the tools they need to embark on their Forex journey. Join Jim in demystifying Forex trading and cultivate your skills with this essential first read. About the author. Jim Brown is a seasoned Forex trader and educator renowned for his expertise in the foreign exchange market. With over 2 decades of experience, he has dedicated his career to helping aspiring traders navigate the complexities of Forex trading through practical strategies and insightful guidance. As an author and trading coach, Brown has made significant contributions to the trading community, offering invaluable resources that simplify the intricacies of Forex markets. His passion for teaching and commitment to empowering others is evident in his writing, positioning him as a trusted voice for both novice and experienced traders seeking to enhance their trading performance. Summary content list. Chapter 1. Custom Indicators Required. Chapter 2. My Thoughts about Indicators. Chapter 3. Trading with the Trend and Trend Identification. Chapter 4. What your chart should look like. Chapter 5. Looking for trade entries. Chapter 6. Method NO1. Lower risk. Chapter 7. Method NO2. Higher risk. Chapter 8. The theory behind the method. Chapter 9. Things to consider using method NO1. Lower risk. Chapter 10. Divergence. Chapter 11. Trade management and exit. Chapter 12. RE entries and use of trend lines. Chapter 13. When to exit a trade. Chapter 14. Shorter time frame trading. Chapter 15. Trade position size. Chapter 16. Hybrid of method NO1 and method NO2. Chapter 17. Managing multiple trades. Chapter 18. Conclusion. Default indicator available on most trading platforms which have proven effective over time. An MT4 template will be included to ensure consistency in chart appearance, although traders have the option to design their own setup if preferred. Additional tools. The package also contains a customized Excel spreadsheet designed for managing multiple trades and an additional MT4 indicator. I pair 'em on work time to assist with trading during specific times. While not essential, it can facilitate the trading process. Instructions for loading indicators. Comprehensive instructions for loading custom indicators and templates on MT4, MT5, or TradingView are provided at the end of the book. Following these guidelines should prevent common issues. However, readers may reach out for support if they encounter difficulties. Mac users. The author acknowledges limitations in providing Mac-specific guidance. A user experienced challenges with template installation and found success using Play on Mac for the MT4 platform. Detailed steps for Mac users will be included in the FAQs section of the Facebook group for further assistance. Wait for next part.